Welcome back. I've got my new Sirius Phoenix crossbow bolts and got a target. I'm gonna put well, this is my backstop. We'll put a target up here. I'm gonna zero with the new arrows, and then I'm gonna verify my yardage is out to 35, I think, and see how that goes. I know the lighting sucks, but yeah. But alright, here's the second one. They don't correspond to the trajectory. It's just they put them in the bow, or in the scope, right, I should say. But
just to put them there, they're just there for decoration.
Well, I mean, they mean something. I'll know, you know, once I move back, I'll know. See, now that was way low left. Not all of them are going to fly right. That, you know, I number them.
So then you know which ones
I can trust, and you know, if this one just never, if it always does this kind of stuff,
yeah, then you'll just aim.
I'll put a. Well, that's my sling, and I undo it. So I'll undo it here, and then pull this daisy chain out, and I'll hook this to me, climb the tree, and then I pull it up, and then I got this lanyard goes over my shoulder, and then I can hang this on me like that.
So then you don't have to hold it the whole time.
So then I can cock it too. I can have it. This lanyard will be over my shoulder.
Right. So you have enough force on it to actually get your pull. That's smart. Yeah.
So this is. Three. You know, that's kind of, yeah, a little low, kind of acceptable though, I think, at that distance. I'll go back and see where, who's that? And this is 30 yards. I don't know if this is going to behave for me. But that, you know, my bear bait is that far, and I told that guy I want to move it closer. Well, why do you want to do that? Because that's too far to shoot at a bear.
That's a far distance.
Yeah, for archery, not for rifle, but
Yeah.
you know, but for archery, it was like, no, I don't want to shoot that far.
The whole point is to be like archery is like up close and personal.
Well, you don't want them to.
Plus that time, they can hear that.
All right, so that was.
A little to the right and down. It's pretty good. It's closer to that second shot, or third shot.
So that was the second dot down. Take a look in here. You see what I'm saying? The second dot down. That's where it hit. Because you have, you know, what they call archer's paradox, where the arrow comes out. When the arrow comes off the string, it's fishtailing like.
Sure. Yeah, it's losing speed off of the momentum there.
And if you hit while it's doing that still, energy goes into that bend.
Sure.
But when you get far enough away and that stops,
All of it's going into this.
it's going in line.
Makes sense.
So if this one shoots the same as the last one, if I go 0 on that second dot down, yeah, it just goes slightly high. But that's the kind of performance I should have got out of every one of them.
Yeah. For with
You know,
that's the whole point of taking.
Well, yeah, you're supposed to have consistent products.
Yeah.
what's 50?
But that's the problem with carbon fiber. It's very consistent. But they should be tested in house
You would think.
before they.
Especially like you were saying, right?
Yeah, you get that initial where it comes off like especially if you do like the super slow-mo cameras and stuff.
The high speed.
Yeah.
So this one is the number 2 arrow with a different broadhead.
Yes.
And it's still low.
Center but low.
It's low.
Definitely not on
Lower
the left like
than it was the first time.
Which is
Yep.
right. All right, this is 30 yards with the Phoenix with a steel point. They're the same way, and I weighed them too, and the weight's good on all of them. Hopefully this doesn't go weird. See? Went left, but the
stayed a lot higher.
Yeah.
What's the weight difference between that field point and the broadhead you just shot with?
they're the same.
Same.
Oh, this
Yeah.
one. All right.
They're the same. The only difference is with the broadheads, they fly as if they're heavier because there's more drag on them. Now, as you saw, I had I had this number 1, this arrow marked 1, and this 3, the Sirius, and then the number 2 arrow here. I put a field point and it flew pretty good, but it hits low. It's lower than the other 2. And I'm not sure why. They all weigh the same, but I'm gonna fiddle with it or something. I'll figure out if I can make it shoot, but it is what it is for now. Thanks for stopping by.